rain smelled fishy on the old brick roads, where the nights were long and lonely and the northern wind still blows. Had a suitcase full of music and a voice that wouldn't quit. Took it singing across the islands where the sun and shoreline hit. But life can change direction with a single twist of fate, and I learned to stand again even when I couldn't stand the same. I'm still finding my fire again, lighting up the dark again, even with the scars of all the roads that I've been down. Lost a leg, but not my song. Still been singing all along, and I'm grateful for the love that keeps me standing strong right now. Now I'm singing in a studio that barely fits a chair, but the music's still my lifeline and the world still finds me there. I upload every heartbeat, every memory, every truth, 'cause the stage might look different, but the soul's still bulletproof. And I've learned that moving forward doesn't always mean the road. Sometimes it's in the quiet where the deepest courage grows. Now my grandkids fill the silence with the laughter heaven made, and my friends and family lift me when the brighter days feel far away. I've lost some things that matter, but I've kept the best of me, and I'm still singing out my story for the whole wide world to see. I'm still finding my fire again, lighting up the dark again. And the man I am today is who I always meant to be. If the night gets cold, I'll spark a flame. If I fall, I'll rise again, 'cause the love around me keeps my northern heart set free. 'Cause the love all around me keeps my northern heart set free.